ma you miss wasted data, you miss wasted money no ben flex and now me okay on bla free data connection straight. We go bla free data connection straight lo use Wi-Fi that's all. Use ma not the Wi-Fi but the flight mode. Don't look him. Now I me put him on flight mode come on. Okay. Maybe the flight mode come on. Okay, me go check the application here. The 4G Lite application here. Just tap in ma'am. Now you go option 2 is just your select the option 2. After there you look in radio power active here. I'm off. You must put him on. Come down, you look at more, you touch him more. Look at enable data connection, you go disable data connection. Okay, you finish now. You connect now. Okay, now you look at so look at exit. I'm going to the Facebook Lite. I'm going to the light now. Look at look at man. Okay. Kalau minyaman na bumagila ini planti. Okay, thank you. Like, share. Make sure you watch this video. You must like and share. Okay, bye.